Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to start affiliate marketing on a low budget. You can get started today for $5. And what I want to do is take you through some very simple steps and a proven system that I've been following for some time now and show you how to become successful with affiliate marketing. And what we're going to do, we're going to be promoting unlimited autopilot buyers traffic. Now, the reason we promote traffic is because traffic is an evergreen niche. Nobody can make money online without traffic. So the other reason is, excuse me, the best traffic you can promote is buyers traffic. So let's just put that back up there a little bit. Okay, there we go. Buyers traffic, because research shows that buyers buy over and over again. Now, the great thing about this buyers traffic is it's on autopilot. So the traffic works in the background when you're at work, when you're asleep, when you're out with your family and friends. And majority of these buyers traffic offers are a low ticket cost. So you're not going to get into a load of debt by buying high ticket products for thousands. And I want to show you and take you to the next step and help you get your traffic for free, because then you can scale up. So one of the key things with affiliate marketing, especially with traffic, if you can get your traffic for free, then you can go to the next level and reinvest some of those profits and buy some more traffic. And one of the ways you can do that is when you become a member of these autopilot buyer traffic offers, you get auto approved to become an affiliate. And then you can earn low to higher ticket affiliate commissions of up to $850. Now, you don't have to pay this $850 to earn it. You don't have to buy the high ticket products to earn the high ticket commissions. I'll show you shortly how that works. Then what you can do is you can get what's called in the industry a funded traffic proposal. That's where you're in profit every single month with affiliate marketing. So if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then you've no longer got to buy your traffic from your job income or your wages. You can buy your traffic from your profits or a percentage of your profits. And that's what all the successful affiliate marketers do. They have these funded traffic proposals to become successful and scale up. I'm going to give you my system to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus, and I'm going to show you some real proof that it works. And like I said earlier, you can get started today for $5. I'm also going to give you my free tools and my done-for-you funnels to help you succeed. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims, or any guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. So let's just now take you through step by step how everything works. Not just how it works, but also why it works. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account here. Now, Warrior Plus is a platform that's been online since 2006. You'll see there, 2006. And it's known, liked, and trusted for being a marketplace to host products. Now, I'm here in my all-time in my Warrior Plus since I very first started. I'll refresh the page and just show you that all these results are up to date. These are my affiliate transactions. Excuse me. Just getting a bit of a winter cough here in England, United Kingdom. So if you look on the right hand side over here, this is the commission column, and you'll see that I've earned $13,148 in commissions. My product sales in this column here, 25,984. So I'm approaching nearly 26,000 in product sales. Now over here, in the left hand, this is really important. I'm going to show you. I've sold 2,932 products in this left hand column over here. I'm going to show you a bit later on how you can promote one link and earn multiple income streams, sell multiple products. So what I want to do is I want to show you the most important thing. Without doubt, the most important thing with affiliate marketing is getting into profit. So I'm going to go back and just show you. I'm going to show you this year to date. Warrior Plus is really good with the stats. It shows you how to monitor your progress. So I'm going to get my little pencil out here and just go through a couple of really important things. So the key thing with affiliate marketing is getting into profit. And if you get into profit, then you won't quit, because the reason that 95% of people fail and quit with affiliate marketing is because they don't get into profit. So I'm going to teach you how to get into profit, but more importantly, stay in profit. Now, I predominantly promote 5 products, 5 autopilot products. So the cost of those, products. Let me sort my little text out here. The cost of those products is $35 every month for those 5 products. So 35 products, $35. If you times that by 12 months for the year, that costs me $420 a year. That's what it costs. Now, if you have a look over here, and you'll see, so this year we're gone from the 1st of January, and today, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, today is the 9th of December. So this is all current and up to date. And you'll see this year, my commissions, I've earned $5,590. And it costs me $420 for the year. So you can see the profit, because I use free traffic. I use free traffic to promote these offers. And if you want to learn how to use free traffic, then there'll be my email address in the description, and I'll help you with that. Now, I do also, a couple of times a month, promote some of Dawud Islam's traffic products. So that's probably an extra. They cost on average about $10. So that's going to be another $24. $24 times 12. Not quite sure what that is. 268. Yeah, so that's $268. So in total, I'm spending $688 a year. In memberships. And So I'm spending $688 a year. That's my complete total of traffic, and I'm earning $5. So it's roughly, because I'm using free traffic, it's roughly it's almost $5,000 in profit. And that is the key thing with it. That's what I want to show you here. Now, that's just one factor. So let's just delete that. And let's just show you some other reasons why this works as well. Another reason it works is if you look at let's go back into the all-time here. Let's go back into the all-time. Click on search. Now, if you look in the right-hand column over here, you'll see a little circular arrow. It says recurring payment number 22. So this member that I've referred has been paying their membership. I pay my memberships every single month. This member's been paying their membership for 22 months in a row, 13 months in a row, 8 months in a row, 21 months in a row, 22 months in a row, 17 months in a row, 28 months in a row. So you start to build up monthly recurring commissions. These gaps are where new members have come in. These are new commissions here where there's no circular arrow. But all of those circular arrows are all monthly recurring payments. And that's another reason why this system works really, really well. It gives you an opportunity to not only get into profit, but earn what's called profitable passive income. Now, another reason is, I'll give you an example of the click generator, which is instant, automatic and free buyers traffic, is when you become an affiliate for these offers, you get an affiliate link, you get auto approved. You see my affiliate link there in the top left hand corner. You get auto approved. And then what happens is, if I click on products here, you promote one link, and then what happens is the product owners put all these products in their funnels. You don't have to create anything here. You're just going to promote one link. And if any of your referrals buy any of these products, even if you don't buy them yourself, you can buy them if you want to scale up faster. Some great products. This is the majority of its traffic. A lot of it's training, memberships and training and traffic. So you develop some new skills. But if you didn't buy any of these products and your referrals did, you would earn these commissions in this right-hand column here. And you'll see here there's a commission for $850. So if you didn't buy that traffic package, but one of your referrals did, you would earn a one-time payment of $850. Another one here for $600. This is how you earn high-ticket affiliate commissions without having to buy a high-ticket product. And there's some here. There's one here for $150. There's one here for $98. Now, if you look at the circular arrow on the left here, these are recurring income products. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 monthly recurring income commissions there. So that's another reason. That's how you get into profit and you stay in profit. Another fundamental there. I give you my funnels for free. So I've created these funnels. I've done all the videos, and you can clone these for free. And it's very, very simple to do. It's very easy. It's perfect for beginners. And all you'll do is promote one link. So I'm going to give you an example of the Click Engine. This is one of the products within Autopilot Buyers Traffic products. So I'll give you this lead capture page. It's already created for you. All you're going to do is copy and paste a few clicks to set it up. Your prospect will put their email into there. They'll get taken to a welcome page. Now on the welcome page, I do all the selling and telling for you in the videos. And all you're going to do is when you clone this funnel, is put your affiliate link in there and put your affiliate link in there, in those two buttons there, ClickEngine and Leads Leap. And then when your prospects, your leads click to join ClickEngine, you earn the commissions. Now we host Leads Leap because you get a free lifetime membership. And when they click to join Leads Leap, you can earn monthly recurring commissions even as a free lifetime member. So I'm in my Leads Leap account here. I'll just refresh the account. And you'll see the commissions, the potential you can earn. It is another additional monthly recurring income stream. So I'm teaching you how to earn multiple income streams and profitable passive income. So my total income in monthly recurring commissions is now $1,890. And if I click on this Pro button here, and you look at the free versus pro chart, when I scroll down, look in the left-hand column, that's the free column. That row there, that column, 25% recurring as a free member. So if you clone my funnels and you promote them, I do all the selling and telling, and then I'm showing you how to earn an additional income stream. And then when you get some more of these coming in, you can upgrade to Pro and you can earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. So I'm teaching you everything that I personally use. I'm teaching you how to earn multiple income streams, but more importantly, I'm teaching you how to get into profit and stay there. This is my system. If I can find it, here we are. This is my system here. So I'm just having problems with the page loading. My internet's playing up at the moment. So there's a video on here when it loads properly. So you'll see a video on here, and I'm giving you my free system of how to earn automated daily commission and thousands of dollars. A system I created to generate the results I'm sharing with you today. And what this system will do, it will teach you how to get your products, your offers in front of thousands of existing buyers, thousands of new buyers. It will show you how to earn profitable passive income and earn multiple income streams. And you can also build a buyer's list following my system. And a buyer's email list is without doubt your best asset that you can have online. So if you've enjoyed today's video, I forgot to mention that this page here, to get your free system and see how it works, it will be pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online. So currently I'm doing several new uploads every week on the channel here. Got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. And my email address is always in the description if you want to contact me. That's the email address to contact me on, and I'll just reply to you as soon as I can. So all the links are in the description if you want to look at the products, and pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now is the actual step-by-step system of how everything works. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.